to recover Yahoo account without phone number or email. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome. In Chrome, search yahoo.com. You'll find this kind of screen. Click on sign in at the top right. After you've clicked on sign in, here you'll find this kind of screen. Username, press on next. As you can see, I have deactivated, so what you can do is click on forgot username. You can enter your recovery email as well, or use recovery phone number. And if the device trusts you, it will give you an option to change your password as well. So make sure the device is trusted. If your device is trusted, you will be able to change password. If this does not work, search Yahoo help. You'll find this kind of screen. Go to help for Yahoo account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on reset or change your Yahoo password. Or you can also click on fix your account. You'll find all these options. If this does not work, scroll down, go to was this article helpful, press on no, press on other, and here type in I need to recover my account, please. Press on send feedback. And this is how to recover Yahoo account without phone number or email. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.